In this video, comments in Spring and how you can use those to track notes and internal communications for each job. So the first thing you want to do is go to the correct job. Once you've selected the job you want to add a comment to, you'll simply come down to the Actions section and select the comment bubble. And that's going to add an action comment for you. And you can type in the message that you want the comment to have. Once you've done that, you can send this to a different user. They will then see this comment in their Do Now list. Once they receive that comment, they have a couple of options. The first one is to simply complete it. If you're asking them to complete a task, they can hit done, and you will see that that task has been completed. Or if you want to log notes about this comment in this conversation, one thing we suggest is at the end of your comment, add your initials and a date. Then when the next person sees that comment, they can come in and hit the enter sign. And they can put information back to you and also initial and date. This allows you to keep track of what has happened and in what order it's happened in. And if there's ever a question, you can then come back and read through all this information. Comment goes away, but if I ever want to see it, I can click the Show History and I can scroll down to that comment and then I can read all of the back and forth communication that's happened. If you ever have questions about adding comments to Spring, you can always click the green Client Portal button up at the top right. Thanks.